I've been helping men achieve their dream dating life since the past decade.
It's like 150 matches, 200 matches per month, and I'm so damn happy with that.
It's above my expectation. I never expected that abundance of women in my life, and this course really helped me a lot.
And this Valentine's Day, TheBroThing is bringing the biggest dating coaching event in all over Asia. It's going to be over 5 days and it's going to blow your mind because what I've prepared for you will help you get 3 dates in under 5 days. And you don't need to really invest a lot of time or an effort because what I've prepared for you has previously helped more than 10,000 people in the past. Many coaches will charge you extensively for what I'm about to share. People charge thousands of dollars for these kind of advices and you're gonna get it for completely free, no charge. All you need to do is go to the pinned comment, click the link and register with your full name and your email address and all the information would be given to you for completely free. Now I'm gonna tell you what is going to happen in these 5 days. Now 5 days before Valentine's Day, we're gonna be dropping different videos and in these different videos, it's going to be an immersive video experience because first of all, you're gonna learn all the things, all the strategies that has helped our previous clients get the results beyond their wildest expectations. So if you're a person who's sitting without a date or if you're a person who doesn't know who to call on Valentine's Day, this should be important for you because this Valentine's Day you can change your dating life without spending a penny, alright? Without literally spending a penny. What I'm about to share is gonna blow your mind because what all dating advice you're watching right now, whatever you're watching on YouTube, whatever videos you're checking out by different coaches is telling you that you need to go out, you need to work on yourself, you need to go hit the gym every day, you need to, work really hard on yourself before you can really get good at this. But what I'm about to share right now is going to break the industry standard. It will teach you that you only need 5 days or even less to set more than 3 dates. And if you follow everything that I'm going to tell you in this event, literally your dating life is going to change in 5 days or even less. Now let's talk about what exactly is going to happen during this event. Now for the first day, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about online dating. Everything you need to know, including how to create the profile, how to text a woman to generate attraction, how to bring her directly to your place, how to use the apps in a way where you get maximum of matches and you get the most results. And guys, the strategies that I'm going to share has shown to improve the results of people by 83% because there was this client who got his online dating profile done within 3 days and he got about 120 matches, and I'm going to share exact strategies that we use to build his online dating profile and to change his dating life in a matter of 4 days. In a matter of 4 days, he could set 5 dates, he met those women, he went out, met different girls, and now he's having a really exciting dating life. And I'm going to share exactly the most modern and the most updated strategies for online dating that's going to blow your mind. On the second day, for those of you who want to learn about approaching, for those of you who want to learn about how to go out and talk to a girl, beautiful girl, generate instant attraction, get her number, build comfort, build trust, and take her out instantly on an instant date, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know in accordance to that. I'm going to teach you whatever you need to know to go out there, strike that conversation, and even master that conversation skills and have that date where you can also take the girl home after the date. Now I know this might sound unbelievable, but I'm going to break down exact steps by breaking down my hidden camera footage on how I approach girls, how my clients approach girls, so you can see the nuances. And this is technically all what I use in my dating life, and I'm going to give it to you step by step. So you're going to have a step-by-step process to follow. It's going to make things a lot easier for you. For those of you who are not getting the results that you really desire, this video is going to change your mind, change your perspective about day game and how to approach women during the daytime. And guys, I don't just leave you there. Because on day 3, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about night game, everything you need to know about going out, talking to girls, going to bars, going to clubs. Because this is one of the masterpieces of the bro thing that we have never created before. This is something that has never been done before. And guys, these are going to be the most in-depth videos in the world related to dating. So they're going to be online for a very limited time only. So do watch them because we're going to take them out. And I know a lot of coaches might get angry at me for sharing what I'm sharing because this is the insights that no one shares on YouTube. This is the insights that are going to get you quick results. This is the insight that is going to change your perspective really fast. And value like this, people charge about thousands and thousands of dollars for this, and we're going to give it to you for completely free. All you need to do is click the pinned comment, register for the event. But I'm not done yet because after watching this video, you might have a lot of dates. You might get a lot of numbers. You might be able to talk to a lot of women. And that is why on day 4, I've also prepared for you the dating mastery. And the dating mastery video is basically going to be an in-depth video on how to go and how to act on dates to have a successful date where the girl is attracted to you, you're able to form deeper connection with her, and you're also able to take her out on a successful second date. Because that's what happens with a lot of men. We get the numbers, we are talking to women, but we generally lose it on the first date. So that is what I'm going to teach you exactly, from how to set the date, to who pays the bill, all the technicalities and all the details. And this is one video I wish I saw in my dating journey, because I realized, none of these videos exist. None of content like this does not exist on the internet. All I want you to do is watch these videos till the end, drop a comment on these videos. Alright, it took a lot of hard work. I want to know what you learned from these videos. And in these videos, we're also going to give you access to some secret bonuses. So keep an eye out for these videos. Watch them till the end. The bonuses would be in those videos. And apart from that, I don't leave you there. On day 5, I'm going to share our 5-step attraction strategy that our clients follow. That is going to literally, it's going to change your perspective about dating and women. And I'm going to dive really deep into how my clients get the results that they get, even at the age of 49 or even at the age of 18 years old. Whatever these guys do, whatever mind-blowing results they get, I'm going to show you exactly what kind of step-by-step process they follow. And guys, not only that, on day 5, it's going to be a live masterclass. And to register for that masterclass, register for the event, you'll get details for the masterclass itself. Now, this masterclass, I've never done this kind of a masterclass before, because I'm going to share it with you, what people pay me money for. All right, this is some insights that has never been shared before, and this is something that probably will never be done in the future as well. So keep an eye out, and I promise you guys, I'm going to be live during all those videos. Whenever we're premiering those videos, I'm going to be live in the chat. So if you have any questions for me, you can ask those questions, and we're going to drop those videos from tomorrow. So starting from tomorrow, we're going to be dropping those videos. If you're not subscribed to our channel, I would strongly recommend that you subscribe to the channel, you press the bell button so that you don't miss out on notifications on any of these videos, because these are life-changing videos, man. These are all masterpieces that have been created by the TheBroThing team, and nothing like this has been done in the past before. And also, it's going to help you save a lot of time on hit and trial. It's going to help you save a lot of time and effort on working on your dating life, because what I'm going to teach you guys, this is going to be like a puzzle. It's going to be like solving a puzzle of your dating life. It's going to be as simple as that. And once you realize how fast and quick the process is, you'll probably regret wasting so much time. And guys, but that's not the purpose of these videos. The purpose of these videos is to help you with your dating life, whether you don't have any prior experience with women, or even if you do have some prior experience with women. Maybe you've been in relationships, maybe you've been, in a long-term relationship, you've been separated, maybe you've been divorced. It really does not matter. If you're a guy who values self-growth above all else, if you're someone who's the top 1% of the people, because of course, if you're watching this, you know about social skills. Not many people do that. So if you're someone who wants to work on his dating life, no matter where you come from, no matter who you are as a person, no matter which city you're from, no matter which country you're from, if you're someone who's really serious about working on his dating life this year, I would strongly recommend keep an eye out from tomorrow. Go click the pinned comment, go click the link in the description, and sign up for the 5 days Attraction Academy event.